What is up, Muscle Tube family? Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to discuss about 5 healthy foods that you should consume in your day-to-day life for a speedy recovery from coronavirus. I'll be telling you how and when you can consume these items throughout the day. We're going to start this video after a short introduction. Stay tuned, guys.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J-O-N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is our clear to heat the air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about top with toes.
So 5 healthy food that you can include in your diet. The first one is fruits and veggies that are rich in vitamin C. If you're talking about immunity, if you're talking about something which can enhance your immunity, how we can forget vitamin C? Vitamin C helps in formation of antibodies and speeds up the entire recovery process, guys. So this vitamin C food has to be included in your diet. It is extremely beneficial for your immune system and gives you a sudden boost of energy. So talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is widely available in Indian markets, guys. You can consume any of the citrus fruit like strawberries, kiwis, oranges. You can consume lemons. What the best vitamin C which I want to suggest you is Indian gooseberry, that is amla, guys. Amla has been neglected in our markets and seriously we don't even care to have an amla in a day. If you think वो थोड़ा खट्टा है, बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा है, try different methods. मुरब्बा बना लीजिए आमले का, अचार बना लीजिए, उसको उबाल लीजिए, उसका खट्टापन बहुत कम हो जाएगा. So second food that you should include in your diet are almonds, or talk about like all the dry fruits which are very rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E works as antioxidants. They provide you with the energy that your body might have lost, and you can also consume them any part of the day, guys. If you are on calorie deficit, even if you are on calorie surplus, almonds are the best source of healthy fats and they are very rich source of vitamin E, and vitamin E is the best to speed up your entire recovery process. तो कुछ भी हमें भूख लगती है, हम कुछ भी खा लेते हैं, and that is like excess for us. So handfuls of dry fruits are really good and उसको हम कभी भी खा सकते हैं, कैसे भी खा सकते हैं. You should always keep handful of dry fruits in your car or in your bag wherever you are going. The third food that need to be included in your diet are eggs. Eggs are a rich source of protein, and a protein-rich diet is very important for your body, especially when you are recovering from COVID, guys. It has amino acids that protects your body against all the pathogens. Protein-rich diet is a must for all the individuals who are living their lives, guys. It's a myth that people who require protein are only gym goers or all they are working out. No, it's not that. Even a normal layman who is living his life has to have a good protein intake. At least जितने किलो का वो है उतने ग्राम तो उसको प्रोटीन खाना ही चाहिए ताकि उसकी ज़रूरत पूरी हो सके. अगर आप प्रोटीन रिच डाइट खाते हैं आप तो आपकी इम्यूनिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी, आपकी एंड्योरेंस लेवल इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा दैट यू डोंट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर एनी काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन, गाइस. इन दिस पेंडेमिक व्हाट पीपल हैव सफर्ड इज कितना भी पैसा हो, कितना भी उनके पास रिलेटिव्स हो, कितने भी उनके पास सपोर्ट हो, कितनी भी पावर हो, ऑल इन वेन इफ यू डोंट हैव अ गुड एंड्योरेंस सिस्टम, if you don't have a good strength, if you don't have a good immunity. So कैसे बनेगी जब तक अपना ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे आप. All the Indian diets are deficient in protein. लोगों ने neglect कर रखा है प्रोटीन के अंदर. Please include good source of protein in your day-to-day life and you will see a drastic change in your overall strength, overall endurance and overall immune system. So protein is my third take. So my fourth take are beans. Beans are very well known for its richness in zinc, and zinc helps you boost your immune system. Beans have high amount of zinc, and zinc is well known for removing all the toxins from your body. It boosts your immune system and helps you body to fight against all the toxins. A zinc deficiency can lead to bad immunity, guys. You need to have a strong immunity to fight against the virus. So zinc should be included, and where we can find zinc is available in all the poultry, all the meat, egg. So there are a lot of things that are rich in zinc, so zinc has to be a part of your daily intake. The fifth and the last How we can forget water? How we can forget fluids? So fluid should be included in your diet. Consume as much as liquid as your body gets deprived of fluid when you fight against the virus. So to get back the fluid, you must consume fruit juices, vegetable juice, and so many other fruits, guys. And when I'm talking about fruit juice or vegetable juice, I'm not talking about those fancy canned items, those fancy, like Real and other products, because they are loaded with preservatives, they are loaded with sugar. That's not at all drink I'm talking about. I'm talking about all the natural juices that you can actually prepare at your places. कोई भी veggies लाइए, you have beetroot, you have carrots, you have tomatoes. Just make juice by yourself. Try to consume as much as fluids as you can to build up your immune system and to stay hydrated, and include coconut water in your diet, include green tea in your diet, include a detox drink. There's so many hell lot of detox drink in the market. Just try to include them. Nonetheless, please drink a lot of water, guys. कई लोग पानी पीते नहीं हैं, कई लोग पानी पीते हैं when they feeling thirsty. जब प्यास लगेगी तभी पानी पिएंगे. It's not that. You got to drink at least a gallon in a day. And how much is gallon? It's like 4 liters of water. 4 लीटर पानी आपको पीना ही पीना है पूरे दिन के अंदर. So it fastens your metabolism, and when you have a good metabolism, your immune system gets strong, and when you have a good immune system, you doesn't care about any virus, guys. So these are the 5 intakes from my side to you that you should always include in your diet that will help a speedy recovery. Thank you so much for watching this long. Please show your love and support by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much, guys.